Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export Onshape project to STL uh, file and so on. So okay, find the tab here at the bottom left corner where you see your project name, and then right click on it and go to the export. Right here you can uh, file name it, and here you will change the format, so STL, just like that. Then we have binary STL format, so as you can see you can put in binary or text. Then we have units, so um, we can select millimeters. We have then here resolution to fine, let's say, for example. So with that you will ensure curved surfaces print smoothly without visible flat facets. And then option here we have download, and then what else we need to do is click on export button, just like that. Wait a few seconds and here it is, right here in our download folder, STL file. And this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next